Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank, and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, let's get ready. A lot of action out there. U.S. stocks fell on Friday as the Israel-Iran conflict escalated. All three major indexes ended the week in the red. Oil saw its biggest single-day gain since 2022. Traders are monitoring the situation in the Middle East after Israel and Iran launched strikes. Also, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are cutting ties with Scale AI after Meta acquired half of the startup. Year to date, as of Friday, S&P 500 5976 up 1.8% so far this year. Dow 42,197 down 0.5%. NASDAQ 19,406 up only 0.7%. The Russell 2000, the small caps 2100 down 5.9% year to date. Bitcoin 104,758 up 12.1%. Ethereum 2516 shedding 24.6%. Gold 34,5260 up 29.4% year to date as of Friday. Oil 71.53 still down 2.2% year to date, and the 10-year Treasury stands at 4.407%, losing 15.6 basis points. And breaking this morning, exclusive, Tehran ready to abandon enrichment but needs a face-saving exit, according to Iran Wire. The European Union is set to accept a flat 10% U.S. tariff with conditions. EU negotiators hope the offer will fend off higher tariffs on cars and drugs. So far, U.S. stock futures rise as Israel-Iran nerves ease. Breaking this morning, Archer and PT-IKN signed an agreement covering plans to deploy an initial fleet of Midnight aircraft in Indonesia under Archer's Launch Edition program, valued at up to $18 million. In addition to air taxi services, the program will also explore a range of complementary use cases, including commercial and military logistics and environmental surveillance. The agreement also includes the planned purchase by PT-IKN of up to 50 Midnight aircraft valued at up to $250 million for deployment in Indonesia to support plans to scale air taxi services across the country. Headline roundup from ExecSum: Israel's strike on Iran is their biggest strike in history. U.S. consumer sentiment jumped by the most since January of 2024. Fed on hold leaves investors asking, what will it take to cut rates? U.S. equity funds saw the largest outflows in 11 weeks. Global equity funds saw inflows for the first week in 4. Trump reported over $600 million in income from crypto, golf, licensing fees. Home sellers now outnumber buyers by the most since 2013. Trump orders ICE to expand deportations in largest cities, including New York and Chicago. XRP news today: XRP rises as legal analysts back Ripple's motion success. Bitcoin at 105,000. Judge Torres may soon rule on Ripple's settlement bid to reduce its $125 million fine and lift the XRP sales ban to institutions. XRP gained 1.18% on June 15th, outperforming the market as optimism builds around a favorable ruling in the SEC versus Ripple case. Legal experts are split on whether Judge Torres will approve Ripple's second joint motion after rejecting the first. At the time of this recording, I've got the market cap at $3.34 trillion, up 2.14%, volume up 29.11%. And XRP stands 2.24, up 1.77% over the past hour and 4.08% over the past 24. Taiwan bans chip exports to Huawei SMIC. Ban comes after Huawei tricked Taiwan Semiconductor into making 2 million AI processors despite US restrictions. Sounds like we just gave China an excuse to take the island. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.